Student, now I am performing one more activity. Look at here. Here is a water, and I dissolved here sugar particle. Getting? Here is the sugar and water. Getting? This is one of the homogeneous, that is mixture. Again I am taking water, and now I am adding milk in it. Look at here, milk is added to it. Okay, this is a milk. Again I am taking water, here is a water, but now besides of sugar and milk, now I am adding what? Flour. This is what? Flour. Atta, simply na chapati khane wala atta, flour. I am adding here flour. Getting? And now I am stirring all these three. Okay, 1, this is 2, and this is what? 3. Equal amount of substance or water is present in all the vessels. Okay, now start observing the properties. Are you able to see the particles? Isn't it transparent? Yes, it is completely transparent. The particles we cannot see. That means what? The particles are very very small in size. Okay, and it forms a homogeneous mixture. This is called a solution. See here, second one, where the milk is added. Now can you see the milk here? Yes, we can see the white particles, milk. That is what the particles now can be seen. This is called colloid. And in the third one, look at the third one, where the flour were added. Here the flour is added. Now look at here, can you see the particles? Yes, the large number of particles. It doesn't dissolve completely. It make the mixture completely opaque. This is called suspension. So adding sugar in water is called a true solution, that is homogeneous solution. Adding milk and water, it is called colloid. Colloid is a heterogeneous mixture where the particle size is very big. And here third one, it is what? Flour is present there. This is called a suspension. Even student, we can find one more activity. Look at here, try to pass the light through it. Look at light through it. I am passing the light through it. Is it passed completely? Yes, without scattering of light. Getting? But what about here? The light doesn't particles, but it is scattered. Look at here, it is scattered. The light particles are scattered. This scattering of light is known as Tyndall effect. So the colloid shows the Tyndall effect. Are you getting? This is called what? Translucent. Okay, so some of the light can pass, but other cannot pass through it. But the particle of milk, that is, we earlier we have observed that it contain protein, fat and sugar, carbohydrate, and therefore they scattered the light. This is the property of colloid. This is known as Tyndall effect. So here we have to use three very important terms. What? Solution, which we know completely. Next one is what? Colloid. So what are the colloids? Colloids are the substances, okay, heterogeneous, particle size are quite big. Particle size are quite large in size. That is what? 1 nanometer, which is equal to 10 to power 9 meter to 1000 nanometer. Getting? And the Tyndall, they shows what? Very important thing, what? Tyndall effect. Okay, while the suspension, it is called again heterogeneous, particle size very very big. Getting? It settle down. Now do not stable. Here we have to the example of chalk, okay, or floor dissolved in water. Okay, and for colloid, this is what? Starch or milk. This is called what? Colloid. And solution, you know earlier, this is what? Sugar in water. That's it.